you. Can you open it up? We'll open it up. Okay, hold on. Mommy's trying to get it. Just a second. Oh, thank you.
Videotaping or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to send.
Okay, hey, we're getting milk for Jack. Here we are. I don't know. What do you want me to say?
Please, yes.
Here, you want some milk? Here. You want some milk? Here, Jack. Here.
Can you put this milk back in the fridge?
You want to put this milk back in the fridge? Go ahead. Try to figure out what hand you're going to use. Good job.
Good boy.
Oh. Get it up in there. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yep. Excellent. It's in there.
Good boy. Can you shut the fridge? Good boy. And are you happy? Can you say happy? Can you say happy?